Lost in a foreign city. No phone battery. Emergency. Your English. Gone. That is not going to happen to you. Not after today.
Part 1. Emergencies happen. Be ready.
Welcome to Listen and Speak. I am Stewie, and I know what you are thinking. I will never need emergency English. But life is unpredictable.
I am Angelina. And Stewie is right. You might get lost. You might need a doctor. You might lose your wallet. These things happen. And when they do, you need the right words.
The good news? Emergency English is simple. Short sentences, clear words, easy to remember.
Today, we are giving you the most common emergency phrases, every situation, every place, every time.
We are breaking it down into real situations. Getting help, medical issues, lost items, accidents, everything.
And we have a free PDF worksheet with all these phrases and more. Link in the description. Enter your name and email. Done. Yours.
No more panic, no more freezing. Let us get started.
Part 2. Getting help. The basics.
First, most important, how do you get someone's attention?
Say, excuse me, loud, clear, polite but urgent.
Excuse me, I need help.
Perfect. If it is serious, say, help. Just one word. Everyone understands.
What if I need to call someone?
Say, can I use your phone, please? Or, I need to make a call.
What if I do not know where I am?
Say, I am lost. Can you help me? Or, where am I?
What if I need the police?
Say, call the police, please. Or, I need to report an emergency.
What if I need an ambulance?
Say, call an ambulance, please. Or, I need a doctor.
Simple phrases. Short, clear.
Exactly. Practice these now. Excuse me. Help. Call the police. Call an ambulance.
Say them out loud, right now. Go ahead. No one is watching.
Part 3. Medical emergencies. Tell them what happened.
Medical emergencies are scary, but you need to explain what happened.
First, say, I need a doctor, or I need to go to the hospital.
Then explain. I am in pain.
Where is the pain? Say, my head hurts, my stomach hurts, my back hurts.
What if it is serious? I think I broke my arm. I think I broke my leg.
I am having trouble breathing. Very important.
I feel dizzy. I feel sick.
I am allergic to. Then tell them what. I am allergic to nuts. I am allergic to bees.
What if you need medicine?
Say, I need medicine, or I need a pharmacy, or where is the nearest hospital?
What if you have a condition?
Say, I have diabetes, I have asthma, I have a heart condition. Simple, clear.
And always say, please help me.
Yes. Please help me. I need a doctor.
Let me practice. I need a doctor. My stomach hurts. Where is the hospital?
Perfect. They will understand. Part 4. lost or stolen, what to say.
You lose your wallet, your passport, your phone. Panic.
First, breathe. Then say, I lost my wallet.
I lost my passport. I lost my phone.
If it was stolen, say, my bag was stolen. My wallet was stolen.
Someone took my phone.
Then ask, where is the police station? Where is the lost and found?
Can you help me find it?
If you need to cancel a card, say, I need to cancel my credit card.
What if you are in a hotel?
Say, I lost my room key, or I lost my hotel key.
Can you help me get a new one?
Exactly. And always say, please, I need help.
Let me practice. I lost my passport. Where is the police station? Please, I need help.
Good. They will help you. Part 5. Accidents. Describe the situation.
Accidents happen. Car accidents. Falls. Injuries.
Say, there was an accident.
There was a car accident.
Someone is hurt.
I saw an accident.
Then describe. A car hit a person. A car hit a tree.
A person fell down.
Someone is bleeding.
Please call an ambulance.
If you are the one hurt, say, I was in an accident.
I need help. I was in an accident.
If you are helping someone else, say, this person needs help.
They are hurt. Please call an ambulance.
And always point. Show them where it happened.
Let me practice. There was an accident. A car hit a person. Please call an ambulance.
Perfect, clear, direct, helpful. Part 6. Asking for directions in emergencies.
You are lost. You need to find something fast.
Say, where is the hospital?
Where is the police station?
Where is the nearest pharmacy?
Is there a doctor near here?
Can you show me on the map?
How do I get to the hospital?
Is it far?
Can you take me there?
I need to go here. Point to the map.
What if you are driving?
Say, I am lost. Can you show me the way?
Is this the right direction?
Is there a gas station near here?
My car broke down.
I need a mechanic.
Let me practice. Where is the nearest hospital? I need to go there. Can you show me on the map?
Perfect. They will help. Part 7. Final review and your mission.
Let us review. Quick. No thinking. Just say it.
Excuse me.
Help.
Call the police.
Call an ambulance. I'm in pain.
I need a doctor.
I lost my wallet.
My head hurts.
There was an accident.
Where is the police station?
Where is the hospital?
Please call an ambulance.
I need help.
Can you show me on the map?
Now your mission. Practice out loud. Say every phrase 3 times. Do it now, right now.
That is it. 14 phrases. Every emergency, every situation.
Emergencies are scary, but with the right words, you stay calm. You get help. You survive.
Download the free PDF. All these phrases and more. Link in description. Name and email. Done. Yours.
See you next time. Stay safe. Stay prepared.
Thank you for learning with Listen and Speak. Confidence comes from preparation. You are ready now.